Hello, I'm Paul Winters, Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, and the good neighbors are here. God sent to me, redoing my home, and so far everything's coming up great. Love it.
Hey, my name's Chris. I'm a group leader and I'm here with the Garage Youth and Community Center. And just so far this week, we've been working on painting and doing some soffit on the roof, as well as gutting the bathrooms. And it's been going really well.
Hello, I'm John. This is my first year at Good Neighbors, and I'm with the Garage Youth Center, and I'm having fun painting and doing other stuff. Yeah, I'm having a ball, and we're taking care of Mr. Paul and Kennett, so it's all good.
Hi, I'm Don Aldridge from Grace Fellowship Church. We're here serving Denise Garrity. We have 6 youth from our youth group. Some of the things that we've done this week is replace windows, painting, doing some siding work, and generally helping to make her home warmer and safer and drier for her.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. This is my 3rd year with Good Neighbors, and the house we're working on this year, I'm having a lot of fun. It's 2 youth groups instead of 1, so it's really cool to get to know some of the other kids.
Hi, I'm Rachel Taylor, and this is my 4th year with Good Neighbors, and it's a lot of fun. We all get along really well, and it's really rewarding work.